Welcome to YouTube, and today we're diving into something truly thrilling, the 2025 BMW M4 Competition. This car isn't just a performance machine, it's a statement. Sleek, aggressive, and packed with power, the M4 Competition continues BMW's legacy of precision engineering and driving excitement. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 M4 Competition demands your attention. The bold kidney grilles, now more refined and integrated into the design, give it a distinctive and intimidating front profile. The sculpted body lines, carbon fiber accents, and aerodynamic features all work together to deliver a vehicle that looks fast even when it's standing still. Under the hood, the M4 Competition roars with a 3.0-liter BMW M twin-power turbo inline-six engine. It pushes out an incredible 523 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. That's paired with BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system, launching this beast from 0 to 60 in just about 3.3 seconds. The power delivery is immediate, and the throttle response is razor-sharp. Whether you're on the track or the open road, the M4 Competition doesn't just perform, it dominates. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury and technology seamlessly. The 2025 model features BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system with a curved display that integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen. It's sleek, intuitive, and customizable, everything you need at your fingertips. The carbon bucket seats offer fantastic support, and while they're track-inspired, they don't sacrifice comfort. Materials throughout the cabin are premium. Leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber are used generously, giving it that unmistakable M-Division feel. The ambient lighting, updated steering wheel design, and minimalist button layout all add to the futuristic, yet performance-oriented vibe. Driving the M4 Competition is where the real magic happens. The adaptive M suspension adjusts in real time, giving you precision through corners and stability at high speeds. The steering is tight and responsive, and the exhaust note, especially in Sport Plus mode, is aggressive and addictive. It crackles, pops, and growls in all the right ways. BMW hasn't just focused on speed and style either. This model comes with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic jam assist. So whether you're cruising through city streets or pushing the limits on a twisty backroad, you've got confidence on your side. At the end of the day, the 2025 BMW M4 Competition isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's where engineering meets emotion, and every drive feels like an event. Whether you're a longtime BMW enthusiast or someone stepping into the M world for the first time, this is a car that delivers on every promise. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below on what you think about the new M4. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.